Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. What a day to make money. What an opportunity this is to get some of our favorite assets on sale by trimming the things that protected our portfolio in the first place. We love XRP here. We love Bitcoin, Ethereum, the S&P 500. We're now looking at precious metals as well, looking at gold and silver. And we are protecting our portfolio from what I believe will be a golden opportunity for those that understand how to reposition, tax lot, trade, reshuffle the pack, preparing for the imminent carry trade unwind, which is already occurring. So this is a wonderful opportunity. This is not doom and gloom. This is great. My portfolio is up today, beating the market again, which is great. We've got another all-time high, $286,000. Another $1,000 made today. That's great. So what do we do with all these gains? How do we benefit from all of this? Well, as you can see today, we are getting uncertainty in the market. No surprise. My defensive play of Coca-Cola has gone up dramatically today. You might say it's not very much. It's only another 1.5%, 2% from where I was this morning. You might not say that's very much indeed. It's not a lot compared to the crypto space, but it's happening every single day and has happened consecutively now for 2 years. Hence, the portfolio has gone from $5,000 to $286 with no options, no shorts, no stress and drama, and hardly ever in margin these days. I've got no margin at all at the moment, no leverage whatsoever. So why is the market selling off? Well, selling off for the very reasons we've given. Hundreds of reasons. We can't put it all on this live stream. This is a short live stream because I'm very busy trading and I can't do the amount I want while I'm broadcasting. And this is my real money. I share everything with you. I answer every question. Everyone can call in. Everyone has a voice. You know how much money I have. This is it, live in front of you right now. So the S&P is going down. No surprise, we expected that to happen, and it can go down 40% with a full unwind. We don't know how far that is. That's not doom and gloom. That's great because the businesses are doing well. GDP is okay. Earnings is okay. General market conditions are okay. The economy, remember, is not the stock market. So we have to look at that differently. But we are going more into SGov. That's what the Fed are doing as well. Everybody with money is doing that. I've got 17, nearly 18% in SGov earning me money. I use that now as my margin. I earn money from my own position. That's my own bank, if you like, my reserve currency. So we've got Coca-Cola trimming now. It's starting to trim. I'm taking lots from the top, taking money that I've made to be able to buy back my favorite assets in the crypto space, Ethereum, XRP, and Bitcoin. People said it wouldn't go down. Well, it has gone down. We can see it's gone down. We knew it was going to go down. So what do? Well, in this time, what we're doing is we're focusing on balance sheets. I'm talking now directly to Bank of America, Robinhood, friends at Ripple. I've got friends at De Beers now in the diamond world. CEOs I can message. I spend no time whatsoever talking to people on X, watching YouTube videos. I haven't got time. I'm on the phone talking to the people that actually move the thing rather than people that pretend to move the thing. So we've got to focus on balance sheets, earnings, reports, and what really is going on in the real world. I've just noticed one tiny little thing. I'm just going to tweak this very slightly. I didn't realize that was off the screen. I know you won't even notice it, but I am very focused on the finer details. I know no one can even see what I'm doing, but I'm moving the clock. The date was not perfectly aligned, and it needs to be perfectly aligned. Is that better? I think that's better. And one more with CST. There we go. And we got a few large whales that watch the channel, some platinum investors, sponsors, not sponsors, what do you call them, members, and things have to be right. Standards are important. There we go. Right. So what we're seeing now is a collective in the crypto space selling off. It's still not right for me to enter. I'm not buying back Ethereum yet. I'm not buying back XRP yet. I'm not buying back Bitcoin yet, and I won't be buying any Dogecoin. Remember, that's a bit of a fun anyway. That's a bit of a gamble, bit of a joke, and that's okay. But we like Bitcoin, we like Ethereum, and we like XRP, but not right now. It's not happening. We're not going to get $100, $1,000 by the end of the year. That's not going to happen. Tom Lee's prediction, I don't believe, is going to happen. However, because of all this nonsense, we can get a better deal in a defensive play right now. So as you can see, this is my real money, my real portfolio. I'm up on the day. I'm up on massively on the week, trying to aim to make $1,000 a day now and then trade out and then move into SGov. That's what I'm achieving, $1,000 a day. If I can do $1,000 a day, that's $365,000 a year. Just profit. So we're up on the day, the week, the month, the 3 month, the year to date on my stock position. Year to date now is 40%. I 4x'd the S&P 500. I've beaten every metric, which is great, right? And you can do the same. We're here to help you win. There's no need to ever lose. There's no need to ever have stress. We can all win together. That's why I share everything with you. And that's why we give away cash prizes to help you invest and start. You don't have to pay for it. There's no training program. In fact, my training programs are provided free. My gift to you in the newsletter. So I'm not selling you anything. I don't want anything from you, just your company if you'd like to join us here every day. So there you go. Could I ask everyone to tap the like button? That would be fantastic. We've only got 14 likes at the moment. There's 136 of you watching. Please do tap the like button. That would be fantastic. And consider subscribing if you'd like to be part of it. This morning we did a major deep dive on silver. If you want to go and check that out on the channel, that's there. I've also done some shorts for you across all social media platforms of what was contained in that investigation into into silver. You might like to take a look at that. We are paying close attention now to silver and trying to find an entry point into silver, also gold as well. We did a full investigation into JP Morgan and what's actually happening there. So we're very, very keen on looking at that. So if you want to go and check that out, you will find a lot of information around that. All right. So anyway, at the moment, we're getting all kinds of rumors about the Ripple Bank, people inflating the news. It's not there yet. It's not the time to buy yet. I'm going to wait. I want to get more XRP. I would like to buy maybe $100,000 of XRP. I'd like to buy a whole Bitcoin. So somewhere in the region, a couple $100 grand invested, $250,000 in crypto, but not now. It's not the right time. I'm not going to chase. I'm not going to buy into fear or stress. I'm going to focus on protecting my money and making money. So as you can see, I predicted the S&P would fall. It is. We are trimming from the top and just keep reallocating to bring the average down. SGov is my safety net, where I'm earning, where I use that as margin. That's my cash, which I earn 3.85% on, and then I can jump in and out of the day, $500,000 of margin. I can use a lot of money on margin if I want to, and then end of the day, use my SGov to pay it off throughout the day, so thereby getting a day of free interest, if you like, at the same time as earning on my SGov. Coca-Cola, I am trimming now. I am trimming at $70.04 because at the moment I'm very overweight in Coca-Cola, 63.94. Now I don't mind owning it because it sold off because everyone was overbuying everything else. They use Coca-Cola and defensive as a piggy bank for risk stocks, so it's great. They give me and all Coca-Cola investors a free dip. Also, we had the CEO news, which was confused a lot of retail investors. I actually got some information about that, and I'm very pleased to report that the new CEO is the COO formerly, and the operations officer is now integral because the World Cup's coming up. He would have been the most important player anyway. So we've got a good move there on Coca-Cola, plus Christmas, holidays are coming, all that stuff. Nice little bounce there as well. Price of sugar, all of these things benefiting Coca-Cola. And of course, everyone buys it because it's defensive. So you can see I've made a nice little bit of money there in the last couple of days. And I've got about $400 a month now across VU and Coca-Cola, even though they get paid quarterly, over every month, about $400 coming in dividends, and half of that is on my Roth IRA, which is tax-free. So in a few moments, if I'm still here, you will see me trade at $70.04. I will trim about $20,000 out of Coca-Cola, and I'm looking to buy XRP, Bitcoin, and Ethereum, and VU, but not yet. But I can park the money in SGov, earn 3.85% while I'm waiting. I won't pay tax on these gains. They'll very small profit if a wash at $70.04. All right, so that's what we're waiting for. So that's what we're doing with Coca-Cola. That's what we're doing with SGov, and that's what we're doing with the S&P. So as far as XRP is concerned, we are still trending down. I can still see $1 for XRP. I can still see 50,000 for Bitcoin. I'm not trying to be doom and gloom whatsoever. I hope it goes there, because then I can buy a whole Bitcoin at half price. I can buy a lot more XRP because I'm making money with my investments and repositioning. So I can double the amount of XRP that I can buy. Remember, I had it at 38 cents originally, so I am very much in favor of buying back in. I like the asset. I just don't like what's going on in the space right now, but we're going to focus on making money. All right, so I'm still waiting. I'm not buying it yet. It's not right. Many people are getting liquidated today again. They're over-leveraged. So, those that follow YouTubers who give them bad advice are losing their money, and then they're giving it to us, the Lucasades. So we're very happy about that. We're not happy about anybody losing any money. We try our best to encourage people to be part of this family. Remember, we never sell you anything. I never contact you. I don't ask you to send me your crypto and take care of it. You take care of yourself. My training programs are for free. I give them to you, and you see on the screen my real money, my real shares. You see what I'm really making, and I've gone from 5 grand to 286, nearly 287. There we go. And we'll be at $1 million before the end of the decade without any stress, drama, or worries whatsoever. So you can follow me. I don't want you to follow my trades, of course, but you do ask for me to share them all with you. So I share them all on my socials. There is my X. I also share with you my communications with everybody that I'm speaking to. There's X. There's Instagram. There's the shop, by the way, martynlucasshop.com. All our mugs are now limited. Our Christmas mugs came out today. There is the link in the chat. If you want to get a Christmas present for the family, this is our Christmas collection. We have 3 mugs with the 3 of us, Vaz, Sensei, and me on the front. We got the small, medium, or latte if you want to be posh. These are our mugs with our silver play button, martynlucasshop.com. It's in the chat, also below every video as well, and every live stream. Get yourself, they are limited now. We have a limited supply. They always sell out, and they are now limited. All right, do comments and questions. I'm going to open up comments and questions to everybody, whether you are a member or a non-member. You can ask me a question. Everybody is free to ask a question. Everybody can chime in and so on. Let me see if we've got it switched. Yes, everyone. So let's have a look here. Okay, wanted to let you know what you do is pretty awesome, said Shep. And a non-member, that's very kind. Consider becoming a member. There's the membership link. If you are a member of the channel, I will reply to every one of your comments personally on YouTube. You can book your own earnings calls. You can book your own stock analysis. You can phone into the show live. There are many, many perks. We have Electrum event every week where you win prizes, where you learn all about stocks and shares. There's so much things. We never increase prices. There's no inflation here. It's been the same price for 4 years. It's the cheapest membership on YouTube. We can't make it any cheaper. We have 99 cents membership on the extra channel. We do that just to keep the bots and the trolls out. So thank you very much indeed for that very kind comment. The other day you were a little down. Yes, I was down because people attack me when I call out bad actors. They don't like it, of course, because they are in a cult-like following, and it gets me down when people attack me when all I'm doing is helping people, but that's part of it. But then me and Sensei and Vaz have a meeting, and we come back stronger, and we're focusing on winning again, and I always lose the battle when it comes to trolls and stuff like that, but I always win the war because I always come back. Keep winning and helping others win. I do my best. Thank you, Shep. Become a member. Yes, welcome back to XRP. This is awesome. Yeah, I'm looking for an entry point, but it's not right yet. I am not there yet. We're getting close, but there is more to resolve in the space. Also, autocorrect messed up. No worries at all. Thank you for correcting it. I'm so proud to be a member of this family. Thank you, Potato. Yes, God bless this channel to keep us sane. Indeed, I bet everyone's going to watch this. Potato family from Idaho. Lovely. Nope, Texas. My daughter named my ID. She loves potatoes. I'm drinking old-fashioned at 9 a.m. It's a good day. LOL from Idaho. Someone just ordered Coca-Cola. He should watch Martyn too. Yesterday, Potato. Lovely. Let me scroll on down. Liz, Ripple reposted Brad Garlinghouse. Huge news. Ripple has just received conditional approval for the US OCC to charter Ripple. Yes, I'm not talking about it because it's not really a story at the moment. I'll talk about it when it's actually got legs. There's a word about it, but this is the same story we've been having for a while. If it was so great, then XRP would be at $10, where we can see it going with a Ripple bank, because what Ripple will do is they will take offline, if you like, XRP, lock it up as a reserve. We're not there yet. If we were, we would be at $10 immediately. That's where we can see it going to. Not 100, not 1,000, not 10,000, but 10. And that would be a great return from $2, right? It might go to $1 before there, though. That's how it will reposition. Anyway, just asking Martyn if this is the sign you told us. No, it's not there yet. I'm not interested in that. It's not enough. Okay. I'm at the gate waiting for the flight to Texas. Lovely. Don't trust the Garlinghouse one bit, says Matthew. Zach, you still here? Let me go through. Martyn, probably on the phone with Brad. I don't have Brad's phone number, but I do have connections at Ripple. Yes, I do. Oh, yeah, baby, I am loving it. Sure. I just heard Ripple receive their banking license. It's not enough. It's just talk at the moment. Don't get too carried away with it. People online, of course, are doing that, trying to pump XRP. It makes no difference. You can't pump it if you've got a YouTube channel. It makes no difference. And if it was out, XRP would be at $10 today. It's not there yet. If it was, I'd be in and I'd know before anybody because I speak to the banks every day. XRP 199, we wait for 176. Is that true about Ripple as a bank charter? It will be a bank. Absolutely it will, but it's not there yet. Ripple Bank's charter was approved. It's not there yet. I repeat, it's not there yet. I talked to Bank of America, Robinhood and Ripple, and if it was there, we would be at $10 right now. And we are not at $10. In fact, we are down today at down nearly 2%. All right. So anyway, my car is red. XRP, crazy dumb vids. Will Zcash become the next Bitcoin? No idea. I don't even know anything about Zcash. XRP price prediction by the end of this year, mine. My prediction for XRP could be if we get the news on Ripple Bank at $10. Sorry, folks, not going to say 10,000 or any of that nonsense. $10, and I'd be very, very, very happy with that. Ecstatically happy with that. But until then, I'm safe. I'm always making money. Made another $1,000 today. I do it every day. I am safe with my SGov, which is where the Fed have put their money. It's where Donald Trump puts his money as well, even though he tells you it's all about crypto. That's where his money is. Coca-Cola is up today. I'm making money. I'm waiting to trim. waiting to trim back, and I'm waiting to buy XRP and Ethereum and Bitcoin. But when I get the word from the bank, I'll post it on my X and I'll buy. And I could buy $250,000 of it. When I buy with conviction. As you know, the moment it happens, it'll be on X and Instagram. The moment I hear that the bank is good, I could buy big. And I have access to maybe nearly $1 million now. No, $500,000 now. So I'll buy a whole Bitcoin and 100,000 of worth of XRP. That could be what I could do. And I'll post it on X and Instagram. Those links are in the chat if you want to follow me for that. But it's not there yet. Martin, I hope you're well. Great day to be alive. It is always a great day to be alive. Ripple gets OCC approval to become a national bank. No, it's not enough. What you're hearing is just the outskirts. When the bank tells me, when I find it out, I will bring it to you. This is a great family. Been watching for around 10 months now. Thank you, William. Hi, everyone. Again, I love potatoes too. What is your position of EVTOL swing? I'm out of EVTOL. I took profits. I made 17% profit at the top, and I told everyone I was selling on my socials. I did it. I did what I say, and I say what I do. I took my profit. I'm currently out of it. Martin, thank you for answering. I will answer everybody's question. Troll or not, I will answer everybody here who wishes to be polite and ask a question. You don't need to be a member if we're not too busy. Like, we're not too busy at the moment. We've only got a couple hundred people watching. And the reason why we only have a couple hundred people watching, even though I speak directly to the sources, is because I'm not telling anyone today it's Bitcoin, it's XRP to $10,000. If that was in the thumbnail, I'd have 10,000 people watching. But I'm not. And I'm not going to say that because it's not the truth. We're here to help people win. I'm winning every day. I want you to win every day. And that's why I don't sell you training programs. Hope the tea is good today. Yes, James, great. Breathe and relax. Hi, 007. Hey, Liz. Good afternoon, Terry. Songs for Space. Hello, everyone. Yesterday, I stumbled on the most interesting stock, SMX. It was $1 million a share, 52-week low, $1. Thank you, Song for Space. Has anyone SMX? The biggest mistake was listening to YouTubers. Remember, I always say I'm not a YouTuber. I simply broadcast on YouTube. I've worked with Wings, so when Wings taught in the US, I take the place of Paul McCartney. Is Paul McCartney a YouTuber? He has a YouTube account? No. Well, there you go. I'm not a YouTuber. I simply broadcast on YouTube TV. I'm not trying to create videos and hype and thumbnails. I'm just telling you how it is, direct from the source, going live, talking to everybody who wants to talk to me in the chat. They have now become irrelevant to me, says Shep. I do not consider Martin a YouTuber. Wonderful, because he's actually trying to help people. No hopium. We would love to welcome you as a member with an attitude like that. Shep, there is the membership link. We can do many more things for you as a member. But when we say $10 will it hit for 1 hour or staying there for days, well, of course, people will take profit on the way. They always do. That's inevitable, but that's where I can be comfortable. But of course, I will trim and end up owning my XRP for free anyway, because by investing in Coca-Cola and trimming my S&P, which I did, and earning money off at SGov, I can earn XRP for free without having to worry about the price. I'm focusing on the value, and the value is dependent on the bank, and the bank news is not the news you need today. I have metaphorically taken out the trash, and thank you for helping. Shep, you are most welcome. Anything you want to know, join me live, call into the show. I'm here to help. All of my crypto is still down 9 to 20%. I thought ZEC, because it doesn't seem to be affected by BTC dominance. I bought ZEC. Honestly, I've never heard of it. 90% of the time you speak about trolls and BS. Why do you lose the time to everyone watching you every day? Mr. Krish, you're not a member, and I don't know how much you've watched the show, but I can assure you most of my time is not spent talking about trolls. I go live up to 12 hours a day for the last 4 years, 5-6 days a week. And most of what I talk about are stock reviews. I've done, I think, 400 stock reviews, 8,500 videos, millions and millions of watch hours. And the majority of what I do is talk to my members and talk to my viewers and answer questions. I'm focusing on making money. If I was only talking about trolls, I wouldn't make any money, and I would do what they do, not share their trades with you, not share their real money with you, and be constantly trying to sell you something to make money that way. I don't. So I can assure you I don't spend that much time on it, really. You just might think that way because I've done it the last couple of days. We're not doing it today. Today we've been doing silver all day. We've been doing vertical aerospace. We had a special live event from London. I've been making money on Coca-Cola today. Not mentioned trolls once. I watch some of the YouTubers only to see that they just don't have a clue. They're all clickbait. Well, remember, most people that are on YouTube had a regular job the day before, got a little bit famous on YouTube. I got famous and made my wealth and fortune with touring the world as the world piano man and producing my own and hosting my own Vegas show in Vegas. So, you know, at the end of the day, I did YouTube when COVID came. It shut down my touring. I couldn't tour anymore. So I built a TV studio to do this. I don't do it to get famous. I don't think this is real fame. Real fame is when people buy a ticket and travel across the world to see you, not watch you on YouTube. I regard you watching me on YouTube as an honor, not I'm famous and you're watching me. It's an honor that you choose to watch me. It doesn't make me famous at all. You're more famous than me. Without you and the network, I'm nobody. We spoke about this last night, me and Sensei. It's why I said, Sensei, share the broadcast with me for the FOMC report. It's not about me. I might own the show. It might be my business, but it's not about me. We built the network, and YouTube is what pushes it out, not me. And it pushes it out because you watch it. Without you and YouTube, I am absolutely nothing. What I can do is sell theatres and concert halls. I am very good at that. Done it for 40 years. I can hire a venue and sell, 2,000 tickets. But what I can't do is get you to watch. You choose to watch because YouTube show you. You're the stars of the show. It's why I speak to everybody. Well, the Robinhood Gold card just got me free access to the lounge area free. I'm loving it. Zach Zay, I love it. First payroll today, go to my Robinhood banking. Oh, I love it. Zach, when you flying to Zcash? Thank you. I've not researched it, and I can't comment on something I don't know. You should look into Zec. If you become a member, request it. I certainly will. Time to sell VOO. Oh, no. Absolutely not. Time to sell VOO. Time to start nudging it into buying VOO. Nicole. Will the DeFi co-op between Solana and XRP affect the price much? I haven't done any research into Solana. Ask Sensei on his next show. I couldn't ask you, honestly. I also don't have any contacts at Solana like I do at Ripple. Ignore haters. You always inform in advance what is going to happen, and you were so right in October. Thank you. I appreciate that. I do make mistakes, but I've not made any mistakes or any trades of loss for 2 years. But I do make mistakes. I made a lot of mistakes at the beginning when I first started. It's how I learned. Martin, the Robinhood Banking's on the Gold Card app page. Yes, it's not available for me yet, I'm afraid. You're very lucky. Martin, I keep it real about XRP. High Energy Investments. Click on his name in the chat. We featured him yesterday. He's got a wonderful video he's put on his YouTube channel. And if you become a sponsor member, by the way, High Energy, we can put you on the homepage of the channel and promote you every day. He was featured yesterday, and he made a video talking about me and this channel. You might want to go and check it out. It was very interesting. Thank you very much for the kind words. So late, Zach. So late, Zach. Now you fly away. Try holdings, thank you. What is going on with XRP, Martin? I've just now come to the end of the live stream. You might need to rewind it. Okay, so let's wrap this up. We're up, we're holding at the moment. The S&P has gone down like we expected it to. Great. I hope it does crash down. I want to buy more. I'm ready with up to $500,000 to really pounce on this. SGov is holding my money safe. My Coca-Cola is making me money. I am now trimming from the top using my lots. to wait to buy Ethereum, XRP, and Bitcoin. I want to own a whole Bitcoin. I want to get back in XRP, but I want to get back in when the information is real, not when it's hyped and shared on social media. I'm going to go back now to trading. I'm going to go back now to communicating with my CEOs, my one White House press room contact, Bank of America, some friends at Ripple, my friends now at De Beers. I've got some friends at De Beers who control the diamond supply around the world, Robinhood, and Bank of America. So I'll be back when I have more information. There is no closing bell this afternoon as I'm doing. I've got some personal things to take care of, taking care of my wife Leah. But so there's no closing bell this afternoon. If there is anything to say, if I am buying XRP, if I get some really good information on the Ripple Bank, I will post it on my social. There's X, there's Instagram, and of course on Facebook as well. You can find all the links below. And if you want to talk to me direct, there is Discord. You can have conversations with me directly. It's the only way you can message me direct is through Discord. You need to join as a premium member, not the free version. All right, that's it. Don't forget the shop. The mugs are all now limited. Our Christmas supply is limited if you want to get yourself a mug for Christmas or anybody else. All right, so I think that's it. Did I get any more questions? No, I've answered every single question. Good. So there we go. There we are. We've got another all-time high today, $287, just about $1,000, another all-time high. We're waiting to buy, but we're not there yet. Okay, what we're going to do now, let me end the poll. I asked you, is it time for us to take profit from Coca-Cola and buy VU, Bitcoin, and XRP? 58% of you said yes. I don't agree. I'm not with you just yet. There's many reasons why I want to hold Coca-Cola and my SGov at the moment a bit longer. It's not right yet. I am already trimming, but I'm not selling hard yet. I'm buying aggressively into Coca-Cola. Not anymore since it's popped up, but I am waiting now for information and clarification directly from the sources. Sensei won't be available for the closing bell. No, he won't. Nor will Vaz. Big hello to you, Leah. Big hello to you too, in case you're watching. That's very nice, Liz. Thank you very much indeed for that. All right, I think I've got everything. What we're going to do now is we're going to go over to the extra channel, and I'm replaying for you, if you missed it, our silver investigation. We are looking at silver. Let me do this now. Live now on Extra. It provides you with live chat. We're restreaming what you saw this morning, but you can talk to the members live. It's a 99¢. That's all it is. Membership of Extra Channel. We do that so it stops the bots, the trolls, and anyone coming in and just ruining it. So we have a 99¢ paywall to become a member. You can't get much cheaper than that. All right, we've made it as cheap as possible, and it's all it took to keep the trolls out, which is great. So that's where we're going to go next. It's live to the top. This live stream will take you there automatically. So please join us there, and I'll be able to let you know if there's anything new about XRP or Bitcoin when I'm ready to buy. And when I buy, I'll buy with conviction. It's just not ready yet. Let me just check if it will go directly to it. I'm pretty sure it will. Yes, oops. Yes, it will. All set to go. All right. Okay, that's it from me. So don't get too carried away with what you're hearing on social media. People are trying to tell you the bank is all done and all the rest of it. And if it was, of course, XRP would be at $10 because the money would come off supply. It would be held up in reserve. It would be the currency of the bank, and up would go XRP. That hasn't happened. People online are telling you it has and asking you to send them money and all kinds of silly stuff. I don't know. Well, I know why, because some people just think that's the way to live. I don't. It's not what we do here on the channel. All right. So you've got the link. That's all done. Was there any more questions? No, I covered them all. God bless. Thank you again, Shep. You're welcome. XRP to 193. I will like your videos every time I join female here. Oh, that's really nice. We're very proud of this, actually. Most channels that cover crypto have about 1% ladies. We have 13% ladies who watch our channel. We've soon got our very own Casey bringing you a female show, Ladies of Crypto. So we're very, very appreciative of our lady investors. They're all a lot more sensible than the guys, to be honest. Leah, big hello. Thank you for that. Sensei won't be available, not today. I said no. S&P is a buy before next Friday. Of course, the carry trade is a real thing. It's happening already. Can I invest in potatoes? Is silver the next gold? It's very interesting. Yes, it's got a bigger market cap than Bitcoin. You might want to check out the video. If you want to know where the video is, oh, by the way, got a poll here on the community page. Is it time? Should you sell Coca-Cola and buy back in? Let me refresh the screen. Did you vote on this? Let's have a look at what you said. You said 78 votes, yes. 63% of you are saying yes, 25% no, 12% undecided. Okay, thank you for your thoughts. I will not be selling just yet, though. I'm waiting for clarification on the bank, not the made-up hype we're hearing. Sorry, but it just is the way it is. If you go to my past live stream at the top of the channel, silver to $100. And we got a couple little puppies in there as well. If you want to get some headlines from it, I've put out a few headlines in the shorts at the top. You can see I put some headlines about silver, where we're going with silver. I did you a few here, but also we have this video here, which is the best video this channel has ever made. This is The Future is Vertical from R. Vaz. He went to London for us, recorded this and produced a movie, not a video. Go and check it out. Everything you need to know about the EVTOL space, which is going to explode. All right, so there you go. All right, good stuff. That's it. I think I've done everything. Hey, Martin, would you say Coca-Cola would have a pump going into January? Well, Coca-Cola is very interesting because it sold off because of the cost of coffee deal, which was a no news event. Retail didn't understand it. It also sold off because tech was going up and people use it as a bank because of the new CEO. But the new CEO was the COO, the Chief Operations Officer. They were unsure of that, which is a good move going into the World Cup. You want the operations officer who handles operations now running the company when we go into the World Cup. It's a good move. Plus, we've got holidays are coming. It's all over the place on all the ads, Coca-Cola. Plus, it was oversold. It's outperforming. Also, it's beating Pepsi. Also, its earnings expectations is low with the price of sugar in control. It's bought the futures. It's loaded up on its sugar. Its profits are going to soar. It's going to go to $80. It's also a defensive play. It's where everybody goes. And I said it would go up when the S&P and crypto sold off, and it did. So that's why I bought it when it was down. So will it continue to rise? Yes, it's going to $80 and maybe to $90 by the World Cup in the summer. However, I am already trimming at 70.04 at the top and bring in my portfolio in balance so I can buy a whole Bitcoin and maybe $100,000 worth of XRP, but not this moment. It's not there yet. All right. Thank you very much for tuning in. I hope you all enjoyed it. No closing bell, but I will engage with you on the socials. There is X, there is Instagram. You can also talk to me directly on Discord for a conversation as well. Guaranteed response if you join as a premium. If you join for free, we just kick you out. We don't have free plan. We just have to have it on there because that's the way you Discord advertise it. All right. Thank you very much indeed. Go and check Vaz's video out. I think you will love it. Go and check out our silver live stream this morning. I think you will love it. Last question. Zach, trust is earned, not given. Before you end, opportunity to invest for next year. Before year ends, many opportunities. Oh, yes, many opportunities yet. We haven't finished the year yet. It's going to be an explosive, volatile end of the year. And what you do now, between now and the end of the year, will define your portfolio for years. That's it. Thank you very much indeed. I'm now going off. I will keep in touch on socials. I'm taking care of Leah this afternoon, and I'll be back for the opening bell in the morning after the breakfast show from Sensei. Thank you all so much for your support and love. The last couple of days were a bit difficult, but we are now on top again, and we've had a good catch up, me, Sensei, and Vaz, a good production meeting, and we're all focused on being positive and bringing you great opportunities, real news, winning solutions, always winning, and a positive, happy, exciting, fun place to be. Many people don't even want to invest. They just want to be here for the energy. And we know that. So we are very much focused on that. Join me now on Extra for behind the scenes, the replay of the silver event from from Sensei and myself. And then, of course, I'll see you back on the next one. That's it from me. Take care of yourselves and each other.